So, hello and welcome back to another new item. So, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And today we've got some coins, so we're just going to have a look through them. So, these are quite a few nice coins. So, the first one we have is a 1 penny from British East Africa. So, this one cost me about $5, and it seems to be in EF condition. So that's a way you want to get these coins. But if you were going to sell one of these, you're probably paying it. They usually sell for $10 to $15. So $5 is a good deal. And that's why I like to go shopping in January. Because there is less competition for people to buy the coins. And the coin market does pick up during the year. So if you're going to sell coins, mid-year is the best time to buy. So this coin is George VI, and it is a copper nickel coin. During the Second World War, they changed these to bronze to save on the nickel. So that has the Star of David, but this has nothing to do with Israel. It's just the way they designed the coin. And then we have a lot of Egyptian coins. So I won't take these out. So these are the modern coins, the 10, 25 piastres, should I say. And then you got the 50 piastres, which they still use, and the £1. But the coin I wanted is this coin here. So this is a 20 piastres from 1992. They issued a 25 piastres in 93. There's a mosque on the back, and it goes for these denominations here. So here's the 92 10 piastres and the 5 piastres. So that one, oh no, that is a different one. That's 5 millimeters. So that goes with this series here. So if we look at the other coins, the earliest coins we have, so this is during the Ottoman period, well worn. This is 5 millimeters. Looks like rain. Looks like it's got 11 down there. So I need to look that up. Okay, so here we have a 1943. So 10 millimeters or 1 piastre. Here's the 10 millimeters from 1917. Yes, and so this one's probably worth at least $5 to $10 each. This one's probably only worth a dollar or two. Then we have, so this is 1965, 5 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 1967. As you can see, that's aluminium. And you have the coat of arms of Egypt, and here we have a 1967, same year as the aluminium coin, 5 piastre. And as you can see, coat of arms is the same. Is that rotated? No. It's in. So these all together are probably worth about $5. Here we have the modern coins. So we have the 10, 25, 50 piastres. So let's have a look. So this is 2008. They don't use these anymore because it's about, exchange rate's about £20 equals $1. So this is probably the lowest value coin. 25 piastres, 2012. We have 50 piastres. So you should be able to get these in circulation if you go to Egypt. So this is only worth face value. But they're only worth about a dollar or two each. So that group is probably worth about $5. 2008. This one has Tutankhamun's death mask. Oh, and this one has Cleopatra. So they're going back to the Egyptian images. And then we have the best coin of the lot. So this is one I quite like. It's a very large coin. And I think I paid about $20 for this. But in general, if you want to buy it now from other places, you'd be paying at least $50 to $100. So this is a 5 Kopek, 1763. And here's the coat of arms. So this is the Mint, EM. Can't remember how you say it, but it's quite nice. This is quite a thick coin. There's the reading on the side. So that's Elizabeth II of Russia. And if we compare it to a current 50-cent coin, you can see it's larger. than a 50-cent coin. The only other large coin I have, and this one's a lot later, so this is the Papal States. So it's roughly the same size and the same weight. So these coins are not too popular when they were circulating. They're just too big. So they usually don't last that long. I'm not too sure how long these were minted for. They were minted like 5 or 6 years. But you know, under different range. So I need to do some research on that coin. But it's quite a nice coin. And usually these days I buy coins to sell again. But this one I just don't want to. Anyway, I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. So you can get good prices for coins. So $20 for this is a bargain pretty much. So let me know what bargains you have found so far. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.